Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to update Amazon delivery instructions. This is super useful if you want to make sure your packages are left in a specific spot, like your back porch or with a neighbor, so they stay safe while you're away. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, select Orders. This will take you to a page where you can see all your recent and past purchases. Now, although I don't have any orders right now, I'll walk you through what you do next. Navigate to the order you want to update delivery instructions for. You'll see a list of your orders displayed, and you'll need to find the specific one where you want to add or change the delivery note. Once you've located the right order, click View Order Details. This will open up a detailed page showing everything about that particular order, including shipping status, payment info, and delivery options. On this page, look for the option that says Change Delivery Instructions or Update Delivery Instructions. It might appear as a button or a link depending on how Amazon's interface is set up at the time. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a text field where you can type in your specific delivery note. For example, you could write something like leave package at back door or deliver to apartment manager or whatever works best for your situation. After you've typed your instructions, click Save Instructions, Save or Submit depending on what the button says. This will apply your changes to that order. You should see a confirmation message appear on the screen letting you know that your delivery instructions were successfully updated. This message is important because it confirms that the driver will see your note when they deliver your package. One thing to keep in mind is that changes usually work only for upcoming orders, not orders that have already been delivered or are currently in transit. So if your package is already on its way, your new instructions might not apply to that shipment. And that's it. You've now set up custom delivery instructions for your Amazon order, making sure your packages get to exactly where you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.